Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Yes? Did you finish your homework? Did you finish your homework, all of you? Did you finish your assignment? Now we are going to discuss about theoretical concept of operating system. Theoretical concept of operating system. Okay. Uh, we already discussed few topics. What are the topics? Introductions of software. Introductions of software. Software is a set of instructions that perform specific tasks. It interacts basically with the hardware to generate the desired output. It interacts basically with the hardware to generate desired output. Next, types of software. Next one is types of software. What are the types of software? One is application software, another one is system software. One is application software and another one is system software. What do you mean by application software? Application software is a set of programs that perform a specific task. For example, MS Word is an application software. We know MS Player is an application software to create text document, and VLC Player is familiar application software to play audio, video files and many more. Next one is system software. What do you mean by system software? A system software is a type of computer program that designed to run the computer hardware and applications program. For example, operating system and language. Next one is introduction to operating system. Next one is introduction to operating system. An operating system is a software which serves a interface between users and computer. Okay, this controls, we know, we already studied and we discussed here. This control input, output and other peripheral devices such as disk, drive, printers and electronic gadgets. Okay, next, need for operating system. Next, need for operating system, application software and operating system hardware user. Next, uses of operating system: to ensure that the computer can be used to extract what the user want do it. Easy interaction between the users and computer. Starting computer operations automatically when power is turned on. Controlling input and output devices. Controlling input and output devices manage the utilizations of main memory, providing security to users program. Providing security to users program. Next one is types of operating system. Next one is types of operating system. What are the types? Single user operating system and multi-user operating system. Single user operating system and multi-user operating system. Okay, single user operating system is an operating system allows only a single user to perform a task at a time. It is called a single user and single task. Operating system for a user, a task functions such as printing document, writing file. Yes or no? Next we discuss this only. I am going fast. Multi-user operating system. It is used in computers, laptops. Yes. Next one is key features of operating system. Totally we have 6 key features of operating system. Totally we have 6 key features of operating system. Yes or no? What are they? User interface, fault tolerance, memory management, process management, first in first out, shortest job working scheduling, round robin scheduling based on priority, security management. இந்த ப்ராசஸ் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட்குள்ளே என்னெல்லாம் வராங்க? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இன் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அவுட், ஜாப் ஷார்ட்டஸ்ட் ஜாப் ஃபர்ஸ்ட், round robin scheduling and based on priority. Next one is security management, fault tolerance, file management and multiprocessing time sharing. Okay, now we are going to discuss about Now we are going to discuss about distributed operating system. That is your OS. That is your OS. Yes, that is your OS means operating system. By the name itself, you people can what is this? The operating system is seen everywhere. The operating system is seen everywhere. The operating system everywhere through this feature is going to take care of data and application that stored in different computer and different area, that stored in different physical location, that are different. All are different, okay, wow. So what actually distributed operating system is doing, it's going to check a data application stored in different physical location. For example, why you people are using the internet, how you people are using that one, each and every data available in your computer, it is distributed through the output, the world, that is through the output, different physical locations. So it isn't been around available in computer in different area, that you people are going to take a data, take information, that you people are, why people are browsing the internet, why people are browsing the internet, having that all data available in your system itself. Yes, உன்னுடைய system itself, but seen in different physical location. This operating system reminding users its checker, that is help us to access shared data and file that receive in machine throughout the world. So this shared data or files are seen different machine, different location. User can handle data and different location, okay, and different locations. First, you should listen. And these features take care of the data and application that are stored and processed at multiple physical location across the world over the digital network. The distributed operating system is used to access shared data and files that reside in any machine around the world. The user can handle the data from different locations. The user can access if it is available on their own computer. Available on a own computer. I already explained the advantages of distributed operating system. The advantages of distributed operating system. What is the first advantage? You people can have here all the resources available in different locations, and you people are having facilities. We people are having facilities. It is available in your computer. ஸோ இது டிஃப்ரெண்ட் லொக்கேஷனில் இருக்குது, உன்னுடைய கம்ப்யூட்டரில் இருக்கிற மாதிரியே யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். Here user at one location can access the detail available at another location. That means a network. So this is your first use, and then next you people can have many resources can be ordered easily. And next advantages is it improves the interaction between the customer and client. So this is your third. Fourth, it is reduce the load and cost computer, that is your cost machine. These are the four uses of advantages and distributed operating system. This is the four advantages of distributed operating system. Okay. First one is, listen here, listen carefully. The advantages of distributed operating system. What is first advantages? You people have all the resources available in different locations, and you people are having facility uses it is available in your computer. ஸோ இது டிஃப்ரெண்ட் லொக்கேஷனில் இருக்குது, உன்னுடைய கம்ப்யூட்டரில் இருக்க மாதிரியே யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். Here user at one location can access the detail available at another location. That means network. This is your first use, and then next use you can people have many resources can be ordered easily, and next advantage is improve the interaction between the customers and client. So this is your third advantage. Fourth, it is reduce the load and cost computer, and that is your cost machine. This, these are the four uses of advantages and distributed operating system. Okay, first one is write this. A user at one location can make use all the resources available at another location over the network. Many computer resources can be added easily in the network. Many computer resources can be ordered easily in the network. Improve the interaction with the improve the interaction with the customers and clients. Improve the interaction with the customers and clients. Reduce the load on the cost computer. Reduce the load on the cost computer. One is a user at one location can make use of all the resources available at another locations over the network. Many computer resources can be added easily in the network. Improves the interaction with the customers and clients. Reduce the load on the cost computer. Okay, write this. Okay. Prompt operating systems. Here the operating system available for you, that is for your computer. Next your cell phone. Till it is smartphone and mobile phone. Okay, wow. Computer you people are have Windows. Next it is your Unix, and next it is your Linux. The prompt operating system for computers stored in Windows, Unix, Linux, and cell phone. You people are familiar one it. You people are familiar one it is your Android. The first one it is your Android, and next iOS. Next iOS smartphone for you for your Apple. Okay, ma'am. So under computer you people are familiar with three operating systems. They are Windows, Linux, Unix, and your mobile phone. You will be having them. It is your iOS. Here, okay. First one is write this. First one is here the modern operating system nowadays all using operating system based on GUI concept. You know clearly what do you mean by GUI? Picture format, graphical user interface. What do you mean by GUI? Already we have discussed user interface, yes or no? GUI is nothing but graphical user interface. GUI is nothing but it is a graphical user interface. What do you mean by here? Everything it is just clicking in figure. Me people tell it is by the name icon. Okay, wow. just by clicking that icon and button. You people are having menus just clicking one. You people able to use this operating system just by seeing the figure. It's that you people will able to understand what concept is that is your graphical user interface. So nowadays each and every day use of operating system introducing by now everything on GUI, graphical user interface way. For you people are having Windows, Linux, Unix. Windows, Linux. Yes. Okay, now you should try command operating system Unix, Microsoft Windows, Linux, iOS. Okay, modern operating system use a graphical user interface. A GUI let you use your mouse to click icons for the menus and everything is clearly displayed on the screen using a combination of graphics and text elements. Okay. OS can be either priority with your commercial license or can be open resource. Each operating system Geo has a different look and feel. So if switch to so if you if you switch to different operating system, it may seem unfamiliar at first. However, modern operating systems are designed to be ease of use and most of the basic principles are same. Okay, the basic principles are same. Have you written? Students, listen here. Operating system. Okay, look at this diagram. Operating system, priority license, and open source free license. Okay, Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Windows, Apple Mac OS, Apple Mac OS and Apple iOS. Mobile devices. Open source free license means Unix, Linux, Google and Android. Okay, nowadays we are using Android mobile phone. Is that no? You people are having Windows, Linux, Unix. Sound will more familiar with your Windows operating system when they are moving to Linux and Unix early stage. Now everything is command for you. But nowadays each and every operating system very easy for you. Here each and everything having mouse just by the click. You people can perform many calculations. You people can perform many operations. You people are willing if you want. If you don't know what it is will provided for your processing the help you can help Windows operating system. So each and every operating system is going to have a basic எல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணுறதுலாம் எப்படி இருக்கும் ஒன்று போல தான் இருக்கும் but few will be different for you. So clear with them what are command operating system. Yes, the first one is Windows, Linux, Unix, and it is your Android. The next one it is your iOS. So under operating system, this operating system can be done open source free operating system. Your operating system can be what do you mean by priority license and next your operating system. Operating system by name itself by the open source operating system. Open source is everything is available for you. Open to all those who are will giving to perform any changes according to their needed. The people can do it. This open source. In this case, it is a license by getting the permission by purchasing it only. You people can use this operating system. Example, for this operating system is Microsoft Windows and we have finished provide license and next your open source free license and it is based upon the certification. and it is based upon the certification. Okay ma, Prominent license you will be having Windows, Mac OS. Next, you people having Apple iOS, and open source free license will be having Unix and Linux. Next one, it is your Android, and honest Android clear with topics we have discussed today and previously. The four lessons completed. The four lesson completed. For you that your operating system here we discuss in many topics clear with each and everything. Now we can continue with our subtopic of prominent operating system. Okay, now we are continue with our prominent topic sub. Okay, first you should draw the operating system diagram. Okay, the next one is Unix. The next one is Unix. We know what is Linux, what is Unix. I already explained. Yes or no? Unix is a family of multitasking. You underline first a multi-user operating system. That is the one word. That's one word. Okay. Unix is a family of multitasking, a multi-operating system, multi-user operating system. Unix is a family of multitasking, multi-user operating system that derives originally from AT. I already explained. Nowadays, before நம்ம முன்னாடி எல்லாம் என்னதான் யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தோம், யூனிக்ஸ் லினக்ஸ் தான் யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தோம். நம்ம இப்போ தான் விண்டோஸ் 10, விண்டோஸ் 8, விண்டோஸ் 7 லைக் தட் இப்போ அப்படி யூஸ் பண்ணோம். சப்போஸ் யுவர் ரிலேட்டிவ்ஸ், யுவர் கசின்ஸ், பிரதர்ஸ் யாராவது இருந்துச்சுன்னா யூ ஷுட் ஆஸ்க். ஓகே, நம்மளாம் முன்னாடி இருந்த மாதிரி இப்போ இல்லை. வி ஆர் டெவலப்பிங் மோர். நிறைய டெவலப் ஆகிட்டு இருக்கோம்லடா, அப்படி தானே? நிறைய டெவலப் ஆகிட்டு இருக்கோம். நம்ம ரொம்ப பில்லியன்ல. ஸோ நம்மளால எல்லாமே டெவலப் பண்ண முடியும். எல்லாமே நம்ம டெவலப் பண்ணலாம். நம்ம டெவலப் பண்ணாம வேற யாரு டெவலப் பண்ண போறா? இல்லையா? ஓகே, you already studied the what is that Bharathasan University and C++. C டெவலப் பண்ணது யாரு? Who is the developer of C? Dennis Ridge. அப்படிதானா? இல்லையா? Dennis Ridge தானா? Yeah, so but the development began in the 1970. Ken Thompson and Dennis Ridge. Ken Thompson and Dennis Ridge. இல்லையா? Unix is a family of multitasking, multi-user operating system that derive originally from AT and T. The last where the development began in the 1970 by Ken Thompson and Dennis Ridge. Write this. Okay, the next one is Linux. Okay, Linux is a family of open source operating system, but Unix is a family of multitasking, multi-user operating system. Here Linux is open source operating system. Yes or no? It can be modified and distributed by anyone around the world This is different from priority software like Windows, which can only be modified by the companies and that own it. The main advantages of Linux operating system is that it's open source. Linux is that என்ன தெரியணும்னா லினக்ஸ் இஸ் a open source operating system. That is very important. அதுதான் நமக்கு தெரியும். Okay, there are many versions and the updates. Most of the servers run on the Linux because it is easy to customize. Okay, Linux is a family of open source operating system. It can be modified and distributed by anyone around the world. This is different from priority software like Windows, which can only be modified by the company that own it. The main advantages of Linux operating system is that it is open source. There are many versions and that updates. Most of the server run on the Linux because it is easy to customize. Got it? Alright. First one is Linux is a family open source operating system. It can modify and distributed by anyone around the world. Got it? Right. There are few different distribution of Linux. Linux like Ubuntu, Mint, Fedora. You know everything? Yes or no? Debian, Google, Android, Chrome OS. அப்படிதானடா. Now நீ என்ன லேட்டஸ்டா இங்க படிக்க போறா? Ubuntu also one type of OS. Okay, Ubuntu is one type of operating system. Okay, our lab Ubuntu is there. Our lab has Ubuntu software is there. நமக்கு ஸ்கூல் ஓப்பன் ஆனோன்னா Ubuntu software பண்ணலாம். That is your program. There are few different distribution of Linux like Ubuntu, Mint, Fedora, Red Hat, Debian, Google Android, Chrome OS and Chromium OS, which are popular among your users. Okay. Write this. The Linux operating system was originated in 1991 as a project of Linus Torvalds from a university student of Finland. He posted information about his project on a news group for your computer students and programmers. He received support and assistance from a large pool volunteers whose success in creating a complete and functional operating system. Linux is similar to the Unix operating system. We know the operating system Unix, Linux and Linux, Unix and now Windows. Yes? Right. The Linux operating system was originated in 1991. Mark that line. Then you should compare Linux 1991, Unix 1970s. அப்படிதானா இல்லையா கண்ணா? Are you sleeping? தூங்குறியா? Don't sleep. Are you sleeping? Are you listening? Or play? Don't play. I explain what are the types of Fedora, Ubuntu, both Red Hat, Linux Mint. Draw this diagram. Linux distribution, Fedora, Ubuntu, both Red Hat, Linux Mint. Okay. We know familiarly. Microsoft Windows is a family of priority operating system designed by Microsoft Corporation and primarily targeted to Intel and AMD architecture based on computer. Microsoft Windows is a family priority operating system designed by Microsoft Corporation and priority targeted to Intel and AMD architecture based on computers. Okay, operating system for mobile devices. Operating system for mobile devices. We know the mobile devices. Our mobile have Android operating system. Mobile devices such as phones, tablets, and MP3 player are different from desktop and laptop computers, and they need to special operating system. Mobile operating systems are Apple, iOS, Google, Android. This iOS running on the iPod. Yes or no? We know the mobile operating system. Mobile devices such as phones, tablet, MP3 players are different from desktop and laptop computers, and they need special operating system. Example of mobile operating systems are Apple, iOS, and Google Android. The iOS running on an iPod is mobile devices generally are not a full feature as those made from desktop and laptop computers, and they are not able to run all the software. Okay ma'am. When we know the Android version, we have many software, we have many apps. அப்படிதானா? Android is a mobile operating system developed by Google based on Linux and designed primarily for touchscreen mobile devices. உனக்கு சொல்லவே வேண்டாம், மொபைல் ஃபோன் எல்லாமே தெரியும். Tablets, further development Android TV for television, Android Auto for cars, and Android Wear with watches, each with a specialized user interface. Variants of Android are also used on game, console, digital camera, PC, and other electronic gadgets. What are the Android versions? Lollipop, KitKat, Cupcake, Eclair, Ice Cream, Sandwich. This is all our Android version. Android is a mobile operating system developed by Google based on Linux, designed primarily for touch. Okay. What are the Android operating system? We know the versions for Android operating system. Say the version name. Lollipop, KitKat, Lollipop, KitKat. Next one is Eclair, Ice Cream. This is all the versions of operating system. இப்போ இந்த பெரிய பெரிய சயின்டிஸ்ட் நேம்லாம் வச்சுச்சுன்னா நமக்கு we don't know the தெரியாது, ஈஸியாக மக்கப் பண்ண முடியாது. Yes, now the version name is totally KitKat, Lollipop, Eclair, Sandwich, Ice Cream. This is all our Android version name. எப்படி வச்சா நமக்கு சாப்பிட்ற ஃபுட்டு மாதிரி இருக்கலாம். we can muck up easily. நம்ம இதை நல்லா ஈஸியாக ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கலாம், அப்படி தானே? வாட் ஆர் த ஆண்ட்ராய்ட் வெர்ஷன்? லாலிபாப், கிட்கேட். Are you saying? Okay, this is for iOS. iPhone OS, iOS and iPhone OS. This is your mobile operating. This is also mobile operating system. Okay, Android also mobile operating system. Say the versions of Android operating system. Say the versions of Android operating system. KitKat, Lollipop, Sandwich. Okay, this is all Android versions name. And Eclair, ice cream. But iPhone is yeah. This is also one type of operating system. Okay. Why this? Right. You should mark. This is your homework. This is your homework. List out different distribution of Linux operating system. What are the difference between Windows and Linux operating system? Explain advantages and disadvantages of open source operating system. Okay, list out the different distributions of Linux operating system. What are the difference between Windows and Linux operating system? Explain the advantages and disadvantages of open source operating system. Okay, this is your homework.